Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus graphs can look super confusing at first glance, but we will break down this problem in 60 seconds to find the correct curve right now. Since S prime is increasing, the slope is getting steeper. This means the graph must be concave up. When S prime decreases, the graph becomes concave down. You got this! The change from increasing to decreasing S prime at 8 months marks an inflection point. We need a graph that switches from concave up to concave down exactly at 8. Boom! Graph C is the only one that starts concave up and transitions to concave down at the midpoint. The others fail to show this specific change in curvature. Let's go! Clear win! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore slope or misread graphs. Always check inflection points and verify S prime values.